Hi guys, welcome to today's meditation. I am Molly McKeever and I am a yoga teacher. I run a yoga studio in Dublin and I am bringing you a meditation with lifestyle sports today. As you can see, I'm sitting on the ground. I just have a little pillow underneath my bum to elevate my hips a little bit, but you can do this meditation wherever you are. You could do it walking along, you could do it seated, sit on a chair, on the floor, in bed, whatever you want. So this is a visualization meditation. We're going to sit up nice and tall through the spine and just allow your eyes to close, unless you're walking, of course, and just allow your mind to settle into the space that you're in and try to acknowledge the noises around you. Notice how they pop up without you prompting them. Notice how they last for however long they last without you being able to control the length of time that you can hear them. They come and they go, similar to your thoughts that pop up and float away. I'd like you to start to visualize your favorite beach. So that might be a memory from a recent holiday you were on, or it might be a beach that you walk on regularly close to your home. Whatever it is, just a beach that you can vividly imagine in your mind. I'd like you to imagine yourself at the edge of that beach, and you're going to step barefoot onto the beach. Take a look around and see that nobody else is on that beach. It's just you, the sand beneath your feet, between your toes, the sea out in front, the sky above. Start to visualize yourself walking toward the sea, one foot in front of the other, with each step feeling that cool sand beneath your feet. As you make your way toward the edge of the water, you pause and you feel the small little waves just lap up around your feet, enveloping your entire foot all the way up to your ankles. I'd like you to lift your gaze across the ocean toward the horizon until your gaze lifts toward the sky, and notice there's not a cloud in sight, simply you and the blue sky. We're going to start to repeat a mantra, which is just a sentence or a sound that you repeat in your mind. I'll repeat it a few times and then you can do it on your own. My heart is as vast as the ocean. My mind is as clear as the clear blue sky. My heart is as vast as the ocean. My mind is as clear as the clear blue sky. My heart is as vast as the ocean. My mind is as clear as the clear blue sky. I'd like you to hear that mantra in the back of your mind without moving your tongue or your mouth. I want you to imagine like it is simply words that you can hear, soft. My heart is as vast as the ocean. My mind is as clear as the clear blue sky. If your thoughts start to wander, simply bring yourself back to the feeling of your feet on the sand, the water around your feet. Look toward the horizon, toward the sky, and come back to your mantra. My heart is as vast as the ocean. My mind is as clear as the clear blue sky. Slowly bring the awareness back to the soles of your feet on the sand. Wiggle your toes and feel the feet sink a little bit deeper as the water wraps around your ankles. And then we're going to look one more time across the ocean toward the sky. One more time together. My heart is as vast as the ocean. My mind is as clear as the clear blue sky. Slowly start to turn away from the water. Walk back to where you came from. One foot in front of the other on the sand. Once you get to the edge of the beach, take one last look back toward the sea, toward the sky. And allow yourself to settle back into this space in your mat. Feel the weight of your body, the surrounding noises. Take a full deep inhale through your nose. Breathe into your lungs and your belly. Exhale, open the mouth and just let it go. Allow your breath to naturally move in and out through the nose. Take a moment just to acknowledge the effects of your practice. Today, taking time to yourself. Bring your right hand to your chest and then allow your left hand to place over your right. Bow your chin toward your chest. My heart is as vast as the ocean. My mind is as clear as the clear blue sky. Bring your hands to prayer. Bow your chin toward your chest and honor your practice today. And namaste. For those who don't know, namaste means the light in me bows to the light in you. So thank you so much for sharing your meditation practice with me today. If it's something that you enjoyed, I'm doing this every day for free on my online channels. So come join me anytime. Obviously, I'm wearing Lifestyle Sports Nike yoga bottoms that are super comfy and so flattering around the waist. So these are available online if you'd like to go and check them out. Thank you and have an absolutely amazing day.